So, day 25, I believe. The weather has definitely changed for the worse. I've been battling against it for the last week, really. Considering the start of the project when it's 27 degrees and 30 degrees some days, we're all in sunscreen, and yeah, it was hot and dry, which is perfect for the start, but yeah, it is changing now. Autumn is definitely here, and we are racing against the clock. There's still quite a bit to do. We've still got to get more clay behind the dam wall area just to reinforce that. Can't get in there at the moment, it's just too wet, so we're hoping it dries out just a little bit for that. We started the topsoil started. Go and have a little look at that in a minute and see what they're up to over there. The island is still to be completed, but I think that's due to be done on Saturday. We've got an additional island now, a little dot island on the other side of the lake. So I'll show you that. We haven't made that yet, but we'll farm that up maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I think, yeah, that's Matt going right now with the tractor. We're going to try and power harrow this topsoil while it's dry, and get that seeded pretty quickly too. So at least we've got the soil and seed in before it really starts to bucket down on Saturday. But yeah, interesting, sort of stressful towards the end of projects. Weather's not helping on this one, so we're trying to get everything done in time. Haven't been able to get the drone up. It's just been too wet, too rainy. I'll try and get that up today if we have a little window, which we should do later on. So you can have a little look aerially what it looks like. So day 28, bit of a calm after the storm. Sunday, Saturday, yesterday was wet. I think we got 24 mils of rain, which you can see in the background there. We started to fill up. We're almost finished with all in-pond works, so that's good. We had to abandon ship on the works yesterday, but we've got that island up to above water level now. All the topsoil is in and around it, so we just got to kind of shape that off and put the topsoil on, and that's the main island done. We decided to do a little dot island right there behind me, mostly because that area needed to come down by about 3 foot, 4 foot. It was a bit shallow, so it was a bit too wet to kind of bring the material behind the dam. So we made the call to create a little dot island there. So we'll finish that off, get some topsoil on that. Then we've got 10 ton of gravel that we're going to kind of create a little gravel feature with, which we'll stick in. And then that's all in pond works complete, which will be a nice point to do. We can punch the in pipe in at that point, and then we'll slowly start filling it. So we're left with just to finish off the topsoiling really around the pond, and that's it. That's still kind of a big job. It took us 5 days to get the topsoil all off, so I expect that to take a couple of days to get back around the site. But slowly we're getting there. I'll give you a little walk around now and while the site's quiet, and just have a look at the water we filled of 24 mil, something like that yesterday. And then we'll hopefully get some footage of the islands getting finished off, and yeah, we're almost getting there. Fair amount of water. It's not bad. 24 mil. It's kind of exciting to start seeing it slowly fill up. It's not ideal for working, but it is nice to see. Yeah, getting there. Down here at the lake today. We've been pulled off for a couple of days now. It's been raining, as you can see. The good thing is the lake is filling up and holding water, which is nice. The bad thing is that we haven't been able to fully complete as of yet. But the bright side is that the weather's changing now, and we're looking like we've got 10 days, 12 days of dry and quite warm weather, so that should give us plenty of time to finish off the rest of the jobs, and that'll be it really. We've got two kind of ponds there. There's a bit of a high spot bar which is dividing them at the moment, but as you can see, it won't take a lot more rain before that joins together. We've just pretty much got the topsoil to put on the island, which you can kind of see behind me there. There's the brown pile. It's going on top of the island there. All the pond now is dug out fully, so in pond works are complete. We're installing some tractor tyre rims into the base of the pond floor, which we're going to fill with more topsoil and some gravel. We're going to plant the lilies into those. Just to help control the spread of them. I'm told off a fishery manager that it's a pretty good practice. It's worked well for him the last couple of years. So we got 5 tractor rims. We started to install them into the bottom of the pond floor yesterday. And then after that, it's just topsoil around the edges, and then we can start thinking about the planting program for this upcoming winter then. We've already seeded some of the aquatic marginals and some of the banks, so that's good, that's out of the way. Once we've got our topsoil around, we can finish off seeding the aquatic marginals, plus we can start seeding the wildflower meadow at the top there. So it's been slow. The weather has really not helped towards the end, but it is filling up, which is a good thing, and with the dry weather forecasted for the next 10 days, that should give us plenty of time to finish off. So getting there, really happy with the shape, the layout. The guys have done a fantastic job. Just got to put the finishing touches on it now and let nature take its course with filling it. As we can see, we're at the topsoil stage of events right now. Got Matt here, laying it out on top of the clay.
In our next episode, we're getting closer than ever to seeing our vision come to life. Join us as we tackle the installation of the silt trap, introduce the main water source to the lake, add essential nutrients through fertiliser and prepare for the natural filling of the lake. For more information about our projects and to get involved, head over to www.creatingtomorrowsforest.co.uk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel.